Hello everyone, Archana here. Welcome back to my channel. I came up with another summer themed kit here. I have used Lemoncraft Sunny Love paper collection for this kit, and I have added two paper pads here since this one paper pad has one paper of each design, so we need two papers of each design, right? So I have added two same paper pads in this kit, and this is very lovely paper. So you can see inside, first page has all these scenes here, some cards here you can see in these frames, very lovely scenery. Then the second page has beautiful floral area right here and wooden background, and back side has this burlap image. And then this page has all this beach scene here, lovely flower corners here, and back side has this very pretty river rock pattern in blue color, blue and copper color, like a patina effect, I would see that. And this page has midnight blue color page with the white flower on the borders here, and back side has this sandy waves effect. This page has crackled ground, you can see right here, so cute. And back side has this midnight blue background with the white flowers. This page has a very beautiful this effect, all the beach, very nice, I love it, and all the flowers here. And then back side has this image, and this page has very lovely beach again area and some flowers and a bird. And then this background has this floral page right here, very cute, and the same papers are in this set. And I have added some 8 by 8 pages which has some patterns. You can fussy cut them and use it on your page. So first page has all these vintage windows and doors and denim pattern page. This one has cute kittens, flowers and butterflies, and back side has this wooden pattern. And this one has really cute images here, two cute kids and a family and a mom and dad, I guess, and this picnic basket, I love it, lots of flowers and butterflies. And back side has this pattern. This one has lots of leaves, back side has this denim color, and this one has flowers and leaves, back side has this sandy waves, and this one has these cute images, you can see, I love them so much, so pretty. Back side has this one. And I have added ready-made album by Prima, which is large album created by Frank Garcia, and this album is really hard to find, and it has several pages inside, and they are very strong pages. And this album is 8 by 8, which has 6 chipboard pages, very thick one. And this one don't have any flip flaps or pockets. I'm sure you are able to make your own. And this page inspired me to add on some cute elements here, so I have added this window, and this goes well with this, and this can be your front page of your album. And I have added some flowers. These are Wild Orchid Craft wild roses in white, very cute, kind of ivory color, not very white, and there are 10 of them. And also I have added in same color these cherry blossom, 10 of them. And also I have added these cute little leaves, 10 of them. And also I have added these two wooden bells here, super cute. And also I have added some blue seam binding. You can create a closure to your album, or however you want you can use it. So thank you so much for watching, and please visit my website, and this kit is listed on my website, and get it before it's gone. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.